Hello students, after the completion of electricity, today we will start new chapter, that is light. In light we will study reflection and refraction basically, and some more interesting phenomena under the chapter light. Before study reflection and refraction of light, first let's do understand what do you mean by light. Light की चीज़ है. So to start light, basically light something that make things visible, or which is responsible for the sense of sight. Sight means देखना और वेखना जिमें आप कह दिंदे. So basically light is something that make things visible or which is responsible for the sense of sight. That is called light. To see it, now see how we see the object, how we see an object. Like you are sitting in the room and you are watching the things which are in the room, so which enable us to see the object. That is, now simply light from the sun or any source fall on the object. What happen? Reflect back. That light which fall on the object reflect back and received by our eyes, then the role is of eyes to make the image of that object inside the eye, which is read by the brain. मतलब कि ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੇ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਫਲੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਈਜ਼ 'ਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ that eye enable us to see the object. So that is about what is light and how we see the object. So basically light from the sun or any source like bulb, any source fall on object, then what happen? It reflect back, received by our eye and enable us to see the object. तो इस तरह ਅਸੀਂ ऑब्जेक्ट देखते हैं, कोई भी जो भी ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਾਈਟ ਪੈਣੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਲਾਈਟ ਪੈਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰਿਫਲੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਈ 'ਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਹੋਣੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਫਿਰ ਆਈ ਦੇ ਸਕਰੀਨ 'ਤੇ ਬੈਕ ਸਾਈਡ 'ਤੇ ਇਮੇਜ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਬ੍ਰੇਨ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਪੜ੍ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਵਿਚ ਵੀ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਚੈਪਟਰ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਆਈ. So this is all about light. Now in the chapter light we will study some interesting and common phenomena which occur in the daily life. So there are number of common phenomena, wonderful phenomena associated with the light. That are, what are that phenomena? That phenomena is formation. First is image formation by mirrors. ਮਿਰਰ ਨਾਲ ਇਮੇਜ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਮਿਰਰ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਿੰਨ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਆ. ਵੀ ਹੈਵ 3 type of mirrors. One is plain mirror which you used in the home to ready, and second one are the spherical mirror. ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ 8th ਕਲਾਸ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੀ ਹੈ, ਕਨਵੈਕਸ ਮਿਰਰ ਐਂਡ ਕਨਕੇਵ ਮਿਰਰ. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਹੀਕਲਸ 'ਤੇ ਸਾਈਡ 'ਤੇ ਮਿਰਰ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਾਂ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਟੀਥ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮਿਰਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਦੈਟ ਆਰ ਆਫ ਸਫੈਰੀਕਲ ਮਿਰਰਸ. ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਂਗੇ ਟਵਿੰਕਲਿੰਗ ਆਫ ਸਟਾਰ. ਟਵਿੰਕਲਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਟਵਿੰਕਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. ਐਂਡ ਆਫਟਰ ਦੈਟ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਰੇਨਬੋ. ਸਤਰੰਗੀ ਬੀਂਗ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ, ਆਸਮਾਨ 'ਚ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਰੇਨਬੋ. ਐਂਡ ਰੇਨਬੋ, ਲਾਈਕ ਰੇਨਬੋ, ਸਿਮੀਲਰ ਫਿਨੋਮੀਨਾ ਇਜ਼ that is dispersion of light by prism. Dispersion of light by prism. Dispersion of light by prism. Now see here, I want to show you the pattern of the light form ड्यूरिंग रेनबो के टाइम किहो जिहा पैटर्न बनता। सी ड्यूरिंग रेनबो वी सी 7 कलर। From those 7 colors, basic is one is from them violet color, then like here I written bibgyor, this word bibgyor clear the all colors, Y B for violet, I for indigo, like blue, B blue, G green, yellow and orange. So like these we will see the colors. So after this you will violet, indigo, blue, which are of the same type. Then you see the green color. Before that we have the violet or the blue color, green color, and violet, indigo, blue, green, then yellow, and after yellow we will see red color. So here I draw only 4 color, in between you have indigo and blue also. So in addition we will get 7 color by bibgyor, BIBGYOR, and orange is left here, bibgyor, GYOR, one is missing, that is orange. So you can draw orange here. In between yellow and red there will be orange color also. So 7 color in rainbow we will insert 7 color. So these are the phenomena which we study during the light formation. So there are number of common wonderful phenomena associated in this chapter. One is image formation by mirror, twinkling of star, rainbow. In rainbow pattern you know very well there are 7 colors that are bibgyor, BIBGYOR. O is missing here, so basically it is bibgyor. Okay, now next, so from the main basic point we will start. Now first point is reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection? So very easily we will understand it. ਆਸਾਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਲਓਗੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਟ, when light fall on a surface, bounce back, ਵਾਪਸ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ to the same medium, ਉਸੇ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ 'ਚ ਜਿਸ 'ਚੋਂ ਲਾਈਟ ਐਂਟਰ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਲਾਈਟ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਦੀਵਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਜ ਕੇ ਲਾਈਟ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। bounce back to the same medium, and this return of the light back is called reflection of light. So this is the reflection of light. One more definition is here to define the reflection of light. So that is the phenomena of the light of change in its path. Phenomena ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਈਟ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਸਤਾ ਪਾਥ ਆ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। The phenomena of light of change in its path without change in its medium, medium नहीं change करना। medium means ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਤੋਂ ਸਪੋਜ਼ 에ਅਰ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਟਰ 'ਚ ਲਾਈਟ ਚਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਵਾਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਗਲਾਸ 'ਚ ਚਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਲਾਈਟ 에ਅਰ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ, 에ਅਰ ਟੂ ਵਾਟਰ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ, 에ਅਰ ਟੂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਆਫਟਰ ਬਾਊਂਸਿੰਗ ਔਰ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਈਕਿੰਗ ਵਿਦ ਬਾਲ of the room it comes back, bounce back. So that is called reflection of light. So that is the reflection of light. So here we have two definition of the reflection. One, you can say when light fall on the surface, bounce back to the same medium, and this return of the light is called reflection. Secondly, the phenomena of light of change of path without change in its medium is called reflection. So same cheese you can see from the diagram also. See here. Now here I have a diagram in which reflection of the torch light from the plane surface. So see here is a torch, this is the torch, and from the torch light is coming, and after this blue is the reflecting surface. This is the reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface, reflecting surface. सो रिफ्लैक्टिंग सरफेस तो रिफ्लैक्ट हो गए, वापस लाइट देखो अपने सेम पाथ दे विच उस मीडियम च लाइट जा रही है. सो दिस इज़ द इंसीडेंट लाइट एंड आफ्टर रिफ्लैक्टिंग इट बाउंस बैक. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड reflection of the light. This is torch. Same thing you can see in this diagram also. Here we have this AO, that is incident ray of light, incident ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਰਫੇਸ ਵੱਲ, and this is the reflected ray. OB is the reflected ray coming back or bounce back, return back, and this blue is the reflecting surface. And now this is incident ray, and after reflecting it is reflect like this. So to define this pattern a pattern to define ਕਰਨ ਲਈ we will draw here normal on the surface. Here ON is the normal, and normal is which make the angle of 90 degree with the surface. This is the 90 degree angle made by the normal on the surface. This is the 90 degree angle made by the normal on the surface. Okay, and now this is incident ray, normal and reflected ray, and the angle between incident ray and the normal is called I, which we define as angle of reflection, and the angle between reflected ray and the normal is called angle of refraction. So this is denoted by angle R, and the angle of incident will be denoted by angle of I. So this is all about the reflection of light. AO is incident ray, after reflecting from the surface reflect along OB, and ON is normal here. Now next we will define the definition of these terms. So first one is the incident ray. What do you mean by the incident ray? Incident ray is the light ray which is incident on the reflecting surface. Here AO is the incident ray in the above diagram. You can see here this is the incident ray. Similarly after incident ray we have reflected ray. After the reflecting surface, the path along which light reflect back, that is called reflected ray. Here reflected ray we denote by OB in the above diagram, and then is angle of incident and angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, first one, which is denoted by angle I. Now what is angle of incident? Angle of incident, if I define here, angle between incident ray and the angle between simply incident ray and the normal, incident ray and normal. So that is the angle of incidence, angle between incident ray and the normal, angle between incident ray and the normal, angle between incident ray and the normal. And next is angle of reflection. Now how we can define angle of reflection? Very easy. It is the angle between reflected ray and normal, reflected ray and the normal. So the angle of the reflection, that is we define with angle R in the above diagram. So it is the angle between reflected ray and the normal. See here, This is the incident ray, normal, and the reflector ray. So this process is called reflection of the light. So after the reflection of light by a plane surface, in the next class or next video we will see how light reflected from the spherical mirror, convex mirror or concave mirror, and image formation by convex and concave mirrors. Till you can study introduction and our first topic, that is reflection of the light. For the further video, subscribe the channel to get latest notification. Thank you very much.